Alright boys, this is the last POV drive that you'll ever see of the 435i. It's not sold or anything yet, but your boy got in a good position of, well, I wouldn't say good position. I just like I got a good opportunity. It's gonna make me broke, yes, but you only live once, and you know this could be a huge moment in time to grow everything. TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, all that stuff. But I put a deposit on an F80 M3 already, and this was a calculated risk. So it's a 2015 F80 M3 with about 89 to 90,000 miles on it. It is a rebuilt title, unfortunately, but that's the only way that I was able to get it for, you know, a decent price rather than spending up to $30,000, which I don't have right now, and I'm not about to take out a loan. And so sometimes you just gotta have to risk it for the biscuit in that sense. Rebuilt titles aren't always bad. It's just like they're obviously not gonna get a clean title, and it's gonna affect the selling afterwards. But I did a calculated risk, bro, and you know, obviously I kept talking about getting a big boost kit for this thing and do a 4N D-stroke kit, and it would sound insane, but like, you have to understand how much labor and how much time and how expensive that is. Like, I've never built an engine before, so for me to do that would be wild. I have nothing. Man, that person got up quick. I have nothing to actually do that and help me. So I don't know, bro. It's I think it's just a smart play just to not do that. Now, if social media were to pick up and I'm able to afford both cars, that would be really cool. But because then at that point in the future, I would do the whole D-stroke kit and big turbo on this thing, because it would sound nuts. But yeah, we're just in a couple days here, which obviously you'll see this video before that. I have picked up my new to me F80 M3. Now, I think, in my opinion, F82s look so much cooler because they're that sports coupe, which is fine, but I want longevity for it, and like you're not sacrificing reliability of a 4-door versus a 2-door with the M3. So same engine, same, you know, DCT, all that stuff. It's just a sedan. I didn't want to be into a point in my life where I got a family, kids, and then now I had to sell the M4, which was literally so much of what I've worked hard for to get. So now I can actually comfortably do the M3 and then, you know, still have the family and then get them all squared up and ready. So I'm excited, bro. It's a new chapter. And then I also got a new apartment, which, you know, this is money flying out the window right now, but this is like an investment for myself. It's like, obviously I can, oh my god, that person's getting fucking close to me, god damn. But yeah, bro, it's I think you just gotta risk some things in your life more than what you'd ever want to, but that's just the reality of life. Like, if you think about it, a business, sometimes you gotta risk 20,000 to make 40. School, obviously you're gonna risk so much money to hopefully gain that back, if not more, or hopefully more. Life is just life. Oh my god. Still didn't fix that. It's crazy. This person is really tailgating me right now. That's crazy. That's crazy shit. Alright, this next one's coming up though, I know that. And this one's big. No, it's not right here. Where the fuck is it? It's right here. to get insurance money. To be completely honest with you, bro. It's not gonna do me any good. Bro, that's one thing. So, social media's been popping off lately. Like, Snapchat, TikTok, YouTube's been better. But it's like, it's kind of surreal, like, being a local celebrity and shit. Like, I mean, obviously I'm in the Midwest. I'm not in, like, some big city where, you know, 1,000 followers, I can go that far. But, like, you know, I had a video that just went absolutely nuts. All together, all couple platforms. Easily like a 2.3 million video, 2.3 million viewed video. It's sick. Not even about the car, it's just of someone doing a rolling coal. But yeah, bro, I mean, I guess whatever works, you know. But now it's like, oh my god, everyone knows this car is kind of cool. Obviously that dude cracks and bangs. Cracks and bangs because this engine's not warm at all yet, and it's 44 degrees. So if this engine got warmer, I'd say let's do a couple. It's cold. God, I'm so tired. A couple more days, boys. A couple more days and we got it. It actually would be kind of cool if, like, this whole M3 is the whole reason, like, everything just takes off, and then I'm able to get more money than I've ever had in my life, and then just recoup that and put it into the channel, and that would be so sick. And the next thing I know, I'm buying a G80, and then whatever else I desire. That would be super, super cool. Like I said, take risks, but take calculated risks. If you're in my position, there's no point in getting a house. Just not yet, at least. Skunk. Woo! That is spicy. You know it's cold when you see your breath in here. And no, I don't have heat. Because when your boy gets a upgraded radiator for somewhere that he didn't need an upgraded radiator, takes longer for the engine warm up, which means it takes longer for the cabin to warm up. Boost weather, baby. Oh, it's so cold. I think what I'm gonna try and do, it's actually gonna be kind of cool because now that I got a rear-wheel drive car and I'm dealing that and I'm about to hit winter, you already assume what I'm talking about here because I've never done that before. Wow, that sucker's riding low. Damn. Like, I've never done that before. I've only had an all-wheel drive anything. So for me to have this thing would be actually really cool. But I think it's actually a better thing for me, so I'm not speeding so much. Especially in bad weather. I'm not cracking that window open, it's fucking cold. But honestly, guys, I think my GoPro's about to die, for real. But I'm glad that we had this conversation. Like, this is gonna happen. I know everybody's a fan of the 435i, but realistically, like, it can only get you so far until you got to get something else to, you know, really bump you up. So I appreciate y'all for supporting and understanding first off, because, like, obviously I'm not trying to just spend this kind of money and then it totally die. Because again, I got a risk factor if it's a rebuilt title and it's a cheaper BMW, so it's not the most pleasurable thing, but we did it. So thank y'all for watching. We'll do one more ripski if we can, and that's it. Gotta get away from this guy though. Boost weather, baby. Oh, that was fun. I'm gonna miss this car.